It's amazing, like, to take money from Massa, I'm sure. And you were just all gathered together. In fact, there was a bringing together of all the portfolio companies of SoftBank Vision Fund. Has he changed his view on what he wants from portfolio companies? Are you now having to look much more at the bottom line rather than perhaps the revenue growth, which you've shown in spades at Compass?
Yeah, so I don't have an ongoing dialogue with Massa. SoftBank's been a great partner, but we have a lot of investors. We're not like some companies that may have just had an investor in SoftBank round after round. We've had Wellington, Fidelity, Dragoneer, Canadian Pension Fund, QIA, and many others.
But what type of influence, though, do your investors have? I mean, we talk about SoftBank and we talk about what Massa does, primarily because he is a huge driver of, I guess, the tone that he sets for some of his investments. I mean, you guys have been incredibly acquisitive, incredible growth story. But at some point, is there pressure from any of those investors, I guess, to actually deliver on profitability?
Yeah, so I'm fortunate that we don't have pressure to go public. Mm-hmm. Our performance has made us, our investors are really great partners for us. Mm-hmm. We're profitable, excluding HQ, in the majority of our markets. We can decide to be profitable entire company-wide in any 12-month period. So we're not forced to go public. The pressure that I get is from our customers. We have 13,000 agents, all entrepreneurs, that are asking for more support, more tools every single day. My mom's an agent. She's 74 years old at Compass, and
right.
She expects a lot of me.
Now that's pressure.
Yeah.
Well, it's interesting you say that. So when you say you could theoretically be profitable at any time you wanted, right now you're not. But if you continue to have demands for more tools, more resources, as you say, from your agents, does that undermine the claim that the sort of business model right now, if you decided to stop reinvesting for growth, would automatically be profitable at the flip of a switch?
Yeah, so the metric for profitability is really around your desire for depth versus breadth. This past January, we decided we want to focus on depth versus breadth. It was widely reported. I think some of the other companies have had trouble. Mm-hmm. They try to conquer the world. Right. We're in 135 cities. It's a lot. We have
That's close to conquering that.
No.
What about, therefore, the investments that you are making? You've gone big on artificial intelligence. You've had some executives leave. One of them was your CTO, but you've rehired a very preeminent CTO who is from Microsoft, who led the AI charge. What is it about artificial intelligence that sets you apart from anyone else?
Yeah, so we hired in the last year, like you mentioned, Joseph Sarosh. He was CTO of AI at Microsoft. Before that, he was CTO of consumer at Amazon. And with him, we've more than doubled the product engineering team. We launched an office and tech campus in both Seattle and DC. What AI has many applications. It's transformed. It will transform every industry. In real estate, for us, we launch a couple of different AI applications. One example is recommended for you. When you're searching listings, it will tell you, based on everything you're searching, what is you are most likely to like. That's just one example of an application. There's also images are really important in real estate. And a lot of them are, it's an image business. A lot of images can be fuzzy. AI can predict what pixels should be added to an image so that it can clarify a picture.
So AI and a lot of the other automation has sort of, seeped into the real estate market. And it's made it great for customers like me because it makes the process easier. But how do you sort of balance that out with, I guess, the idea that you do have this sort of army of agents of the sort of traditional human beings who would do these transactions, and some of those transactions can now be done without them involved?
Yeah, so 99% of homes that are sold through agents, and 90% of homes that are bought through agents. The only reason Compass exists is because people that have come into real estate from outside of the business have tried to replace agents. We're the one company with 400 plus software engineers and product managers and product designers that are trying to make agents better. The industry has aggregators over here that build for consumers, MLSs over there that build for agents, but no one's building for both. And our tools are really meant to help them collaborate with their buyers and sellers.